Simon, and today we're playing Pickle or Treat.
It's furry!
Kind of earthy, moundy.
Ew! Is it slimy or is it a watermelon? The yellow one. The yellow watermelon.
I'm most afraid of spiders, snakes, and sticking my hand in pink boxes. It's probably nothing. Is it? What is that?
It's weird.
Oh my leg!
It's a spider. A scorpion. No. So many spiders.
My biggest fear is probably, I'd say, spiders. Whoa, what is that? Something slightly furry with a cold bit of lime on top.
No, I feel something like something papers.
Well, there's some hair there. That's a wig. That's a wig.
Now I can feel your hand.
Oh, I know what that is. I know. Wow.
I think it's broccoli. Okay.
Pumpkin! Ah!
A pickle on top of a spider.
Hair on someone's hair. Oh my goodness!
Is it a pickled tarantula? Is it? I've got a pickled tarantula.
It's cheese.
A pumpkin with a wig on the top.
Woohoo!
Pumpkin. And a spider.
Starfish?
Starfish.
Ooh, thank you!
That is horrible.
Catch. Yes. Done, right. Do I get a pickle as well?